Okay, we will solve this one. The fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 18 and the sixth term is 28. So, ang question dito is give the first three terms. Okay, so yung formula ng finding the nth term of the arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Okay, so yung given natin dito, okay, yung a sub 4 is given. Okay, fourth term, a sub 4 is 18. Tapos, a sub 6. A sub 6 is 28. So, hanapin natin yung 3 terms. Yung a sub 1, okay, a sub 2, question ko na lang ha, a sub 1, a sub 2, tsaka a sub 3. Ayan. So, parang ganito yan. Ito yung first term, ito yung second term, ito yung third term, saka yung fourth term is 18, tapos fifth term, at saka sixth term. Pero hindi na natin hanapin itong fifth term kasi ang hinihingi ay give the first three terms. So, ito lang. First term, second term, and third term. Okay, ngayon, since wala pa tayong first, second, and third term, so we will assume the fourth term. Ito si fourth term. Gawin muna natin itong a sub 1. At itong sixth term, gawin muna natin itong a sub 3. Okay? Para makuha natin yung common difference. So ang gagawin natin dito, we have to find the common difference. Okay, so we will use this formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, a sub 3 yung ating kukunin dito. A sub 3 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, yung a sub 3 is 28. Okay? Equals a sub 1 is 18. So, assume lang tayo na itong fourth term magiging a sub 1, itong sixth term magiging a sub 3. Okay? Para makuha natin yung common difference. Then, n natin is 3 minus 1 times d. So, ito yung hahanapin natin. So, ngayon, simplify natin yan. 28, okay, equals 18 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 times d. Kita pa. So, 28 equals 18 plus 2d. Ayan. Okay. Then, pwede natin i-transpose yan. Okay. Si 2d, kasi nasa right side yan. So, i-transpose natin going to the left side. So, magiging negative 2d. Equals 18. Hindi siya na-change. Nasa right side pa rin siya. Si 28 ang i-transpose natin. So, magiging negative 28. Okay, then negative 2d, kita pa, equals 18 minus 28, this is negative 10. Okay, dito sa taas konti. Okay, so negative 2d equals negative 10. Ang gagawin natin dyan, divide natin yan both sides by negative 2. Okay, pwede rin, okay, negative 2, negative 2. So, cancel natin yung negative 2. So, magiging d na yung naiwan. So, negative 10 divided by negative 2, that is 5. So, ito yung common difference. Okay, ngayon, paano natin kunin yung third term, second term, and the first term? So, gagawin natin dito, since 5 yung common difference, so, si 18, solve natin yung a sub 3. So, 18 minus 5, kasi ito yung common difference, di ba? Equals 13. Okay, so 13 yung third term. Si a sub 2, so 13 minus 5 equals 8. So 8 yung second term. Okay? And the first term, So, 8 minus 5 equals 3. So, therefore, 3 yung first term. So, ito na yung first 3 terms na ating hinahanap. 3, 8, and 13. So, kung i-base natin yan sa common difference niya, so, kahit i-add natin, pwede rin i-add. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So, kung isolve natin itong fifth term, pwede rin, di ba? So, magiging plus 5 lang tayo. So, 18 plus 5 is 23. And 23 plus 5 is 28. Okay, so this is your final answer. Bye-bye.